Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the Unlocktherapy channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to put your iPhone 6 in recovery mode. Super useful if you're having software issues or need to do a reset. So, let's dive right into it. Step 1. Turn off your iPhone. First things first, make sure your iPhone is completely off. If it's still on, hold down that power button until you see the slide to power off option, and then just slide it to shut down your phone. Step 2. Connect to your computer. Next, grab your USB cable and plug your iPhone into your computer. Make sure your computer is running the latest version of iTunes if you're on Windows or macOS Mojave and earlier, or Finder if you're on macOS Catalina or later. Step 3. Open iTunes or Finder. Go ahead and open iTunes or Finder depending on your system. You're going to need this for the next part. Step 4. Enter recovery mode. Now here's where the magic happens. Press and hold both the home button and the power button at the same time. Keep holding them down until you see the recovery mode screen. You'll see an icon for iTunes or Finder and a cable graphic. That's how you know you're in. Step 5. Manage your options. Alright, you're almost there. At this point, iTunes or Finder will detect that your iPhone is in recovery mode, and it'll give you two options: update or restore. If you choose update, it'll try to fix the problem while keeping all your data intact. Restore, on the other hand, will erase everything and take you back to factory settings, so choose wisely. Bonus tip: how to exit recovery mode. If you got into recovery mode by mistake or you just want out, no worries. Just disconnect your iPhone from your computer and hold the power button until your iPhone restarts as normal. For more information, you can visit our website, unlocktherapy.net. And that's it, folks. Super easy way to put your iPhone 6 in recovery mode. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.